Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm here with the reveal of my 2023 quarterly club kit. We've been doing these the last couple of years. People seem to love them, so we're going to continue with the trend. This year in 2023, we're going to be working with Simple Stories Life Captured. This is a really fresh, fun, modern collection. Great iconic images, fun patterns, fresh colors. It's really going to be great. So each quarter, starting with November of 2022, we're going to release a set of 3 folios, a kit with 3 folios. And these are so fun. I just designed these myself, and they measure 6 1/4 by 8 1/4. They're made with heavy cardstock and lined, so they're really sturdy. And each month we're going to feature one of the fantastic calendar covers from the collection. We've got these wonderful flowers that I'm going to show you how to shape flowers. So you're going to learn that. We're going to add fun little embellishments. This opens out like a flap, and then it opens out again. We've got a great pocket over here with some 4x6 images for journaling, and you can also put more photos in here. Then there's a fun pocket page here with some mini folios tucked inside. These are super cute. Lots of room for journaling and small photos, so you can use these however you see fit. And look at this cute banner. The fun thing about this kit, I'm doing a little bit different. Each quarter you'll get an embellishment pack, and it's going to be different each time. It's going to be kind of a little surprise, lots of fun, and to help you dress up your folios. So this pulls out. This is a great pull-out feature. You've got room for large photos, a great photo here, and then on the back. So we've paired this collection up with some other Simple Stories papers that work well with the color palette. Over here, we've got a super little waterfall page. Look at these great buttons. And then a little flip out page with hidden journaling. So these just fold down, and then this paper clip holds everything in place. And that is the January folio. So it's not overwhelming. That's what I like about these. They're not hard to make. They're not overwhelming to finish with your photos or whatever you choose to put in. So that's January. Here's February. Really great color palette. They used a lot of blues, which I'm not used to seeing in a February collection, but I really like the way it works. So again, fun little pink typewriter, these sweet little cupcake charms, perfect for February. Here's our pocket with our 4x6s. Here's our pocket with our mini folios. Here's our pull-out page. So as you can see, lots of room, and I like that it's got room for nice big photos. Another little waterfall page, another little flip out page. So just fun and playful and not too hard to make. These are great if you're new to folios. This is a super design because it is not hard, and it's comes together really fast. Like you could do all 3 of these in a day easily with a group of friends. So here's our March, very bright and cheery. This time we put our banner over here on the pocket. Here's our little 4x6s. Look at this pull-out page. This is gorgeous. And look at that. These are huge, great floral on the back. Super cute pocket. These have itty bitty folios in them, which is really fun. And the stickers in this collection are extra fun. So here's our waterfall with the potted plants. So cute. And then here's our flip open page with a little hidden journaling spot. So cute. I could see you using this as a planner. I could see it being used as a monthly just memory album. It's so fun. So that is what we're going to be doing in 2023 with Button Farm Club. I believe you can go ahead and place your order now. Laura has all the supplies in-house, so they'll be shipping out quickly. I wanted to get them to you before Christmas so you could go ahead and have your January folio ready to go when January rolls around. So I hope you like it. I'm loving it. I really had a good time putting these together. So I'll put the link in the description box below for you to go to Button Farm Club and order your kit today. This is a subscription kit, but I'm pretty sure Laura's going to make an option for you to buy just 1/4. But I promise you, once you make 1/4, you're going to want to do them all. It's a really fun kit. All right, guys, go get your craft on. Bye.